Very cheerful morning, dear kids. How are you all? Hope you are all fit and fine. Yes, today is English period and we are going to learn. Today is Monday and we are going to learn English today. Yes, look at this bird. Which bird is this? O for all. O, all. All. Yes, dear kids, today you are going to learn O word. Yes, O vowel words. Yes, dear kids, today you are going to learn O vowel words. Yes, let's see. Here Miss had written some of the groups OG, OT and OP. What you have to do is, beta, here Miss had written some words also. You have to match the correct words according to this group. Okay? At the very first, which word is this? OG. O. Now, you have to identify which word from this will match this group. That is D-O-G, dog. Okay? D-O-G, dog. Okay? Next, O-T, bird. Now you have to identify from this which will go for this group, which will match with this group, that is P-O-T, pot. Okay, so we will match it P-O-T, pot. Then O-P, word. Yes, where is it, beta? C-O-P, cop. And T-O-P, top. Both the word will match this O-P word. Okay? Yes? C-O-P, cop and T-O-P, top. Both the word will match with this O-P group. Okay? Now, like the same way, you have to match with this group also, beta. O-G, bird. Now, where is it? Yes, this is L-O-G, log. So you have to match with this O-G, L-O-G, log. Okay. Then O-T, bird. Now come on, tell me, where is O-T, bird? Yes. If we mix one more alphabet, so it will become C-O-T, cord. Now O-P, word. O-T word, C-O-T, cord. Okay. Now, we have to match with O-P. You have to include one more alphabet, that is O-P word. Where is it, beta? Yes, this is H-O-P, hop. What is it? H-O-P, hop. Then, like the same way, you have to match F-O-G, fog. Where is it? F-O-G, fog. Here. So, you have to match along with this word. Here some of the words are written in this chart. Just we will read these letters. O says all. Vowel sound O. T-O-P, top. Then D-O-T, dot. Yes. Then L-O-G, log. Yes. Yes, dear kids, like this way you have to read all the words also along with writing. Yes, now we will do it in your textbook, beta. Now take out page number 4 to 42. We will match the Words. Match the following words with correct groups and write them in the given lines. Now, just read it beta. T-O-P, top. Where is it? Now you have to match with the group of O-P. Yes. Then C-O-P, cop. Same you have to match O-P group. Okay. Yes. Now D-O-G, dog. Where is it? O-G group. Where is it? Yes, it is here. So you have to match with this. Okay. Now P-O-T, pot. Yes, here it is. Now C-O-T, cot. Yes, here it is. C-O-T, cot. You have to match it. Now H-O-P, hop. Here O-P group, H-O-P, hop. Now L-O-G, log. Where is the group of L-O-G, log? Yes, here it is. Now F-O-G, fog. Where is the group of word? Fog, F-O-G, fog. Yes, here it is. Like this way you have to match the group. According to the group you have to match with the words. Yes, dear kids. And you also write it here beta. Yes. Whichever spelling we had matched, so we have to write here also. Okay. This is your homework. Yes, dear kids, I think you had understood O sound words. Yes. Now we will match along with the picture beta. Match O sound words with the pictures. Yes. Now we will match the O sound words along with the pictures. Yes. Now at the very first, just read the spelling beta. B-O-X, box. Where is box? Yes, here it is. Yes, box. B-O-X, box. Okay. Yes, at the very first we had match with the box. B-O-X, box. Here is the picture of box. Yes. Now read the next spelling beta. What is this? C-O-T, cot. Now tell me, where is cot? Yes, here it is. C-O-T, cot. Now which spelling is this? P-O-T, pot. Where is it beta? Yes, here it is. So you have to match it along with the spelling with picture. Now log. Where is it? L-O-G, log. Yes, here it is. So we will match with log spelling with picture. Now T-O-Y, toy. Where is it? T-O-Y, toy. Yes, here it is. Like this way you have to match O sound words in your textbook. Yes. Yes, dear kids, take out page number 4444 beta. Now we will match the same spelling in the book. Read the first spelling, join the dots to match O sound word with the picture. Yes, pictures. So, read the first spelling, B-O-X, box. Now, tell me, where is the picture of box? Yes, here it is. So, you have to match it like this. Now C-O-T, cot. Here is the picture of cot. Now P-O-T, pot. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Yes, I got it. Here. Where is it beta? P-O-T, pot. Now L-O-G, log. Now come on, search it. Where is log? Yes, I got it. Here is log. Yes, now T-O-Y, toy. Here is toy. Yes, I had matched all the spellings with picture. Okay, this way you have to complete page number 4444. Now take out page number 4545. Now what you have to do is beta, look at the pictures and tick the correct words. Here two words are given here. You have to see the picture and you have to tick the correct picture. This is COD, cord, and COB, cob. So you have to tick COB, cob. Now what is this? Which picture is this beta? This is LOG, log. So you have to tick on the log. Okay, spelling of log. Now look at this picture very carefully. What is this? COP, cob? No, MOP, mop. Okay. Now which picture is this? Identify this picture beta. This is ROD, rod. So you have to put a tick on rod. Now which picture is this? This is COT, cot. Yes, now identify this picture. This is FOX, fox. So you have to put a tick here. Yes. Now which picture is this? This is BOY, boy. Yes, which picture is this? BOY, boy. Now identify this picture beta. This is COP, cop. Cop means police. Okay. Yes, which picture is this? This is toy, TOY, toy. So you have to put a tick here. Like this way you have to complete page number 4545 and you have to read also beta. Yes. Now page number 46. Write 3 words for each group given below. As we done now, so you have to write 3 words beta. Okay, OB words. So Miss had written here HOB, hob, JOB, job, and MOB, mob. Okay. Now our next group is OD group. So GOD, god, POD, pod, then NOD, nod. Yes. Now OG group, DOG, 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 FOG, fog, then JOG, jog. Now OP words, HOP, hop, TOP, top, COP, cop. Like this way you have to complete the group. Now OT group, DOT, dot, GOT, got, HOT, hot. Next is OX group, BOX, box, OX, ox, then POX, pox. Yes. Like this way you have to complete the. Now OY you have to add one more alphabet and you have to make a word. Like TOY, toy, BOY, boy, then COY, coy. Like this way you have to complete page number 4646. Yes dear kids, I think you had understood how to write. Yes, according to the group you have to include one alphabet and you have to make a new word. Okay, like this way you have to complete the page. Okay, and you have to read also beta. This is your homework. Bye bye, take care, see you.